In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Google Chrome. Keeping Chrome up to date is really important for both security and performance. Updates often fix bugs, patch security issues, and sometimes introduce new features that make your browsing experience smoother. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly where to click, what you'll see on screen, and what to do if an update is available. First, open the Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is open, move your cursor to the top right corner of the window. You'll see a small icon with 3 vertical dots. This is the main menu for Chrome. Click on those 3 dots to open the drop-down menu. From this menu, look toward the bottom for the option labeled Help. When you hover your mouse over Help, another small menu will appear to the side. In that side menu, click on About Google Chrome. As soon as you click About Google Chrome, a new tab or page will open inside the browser. On this page, Chrome automatically starts checking for updates. You don't need to press anything else. You'll see a message saying that Chrome is checking for updates, and you may see a progress bar or a spinning indicator while it does this. If an update is available, Chrome will begin downloading it right away. Just wait a few moments for the download and installation to complete. The time this takes will depend on your internet speed and how large the update is, but usually it's fairly quick. Once the update has been installed, Chrome will prompt you to relaunch the browser. You'll see a button that says something like Relaunch or Restart. Click that button. Chrome will close and then reopen automatically. When it comes back, all of your tabs should restore, and you'll now be running the latest version of Google Chrome. If instead, the About page tells you that Google Chrome is up to date, that means you're already running the newest version and there's nothing else you need to do. It's a good idea to check this page from time to time, especially if you've turned off automatic updates or if you notice Chrome behaving strangely. Updating regularly helps keep your browser secure, compatible with modern websites, and performing at its best. And that's all it takes to update Google Chrome. Open the menu, go to Help. Click About Google Chrome. Let it check and install. Then relaunch when prompted.